Welcome, traders. Another day, another box smashed. Let's dive into the trades. March 31st, our first setup came at 6:50 a.m. West Coast time. You can see the smash spike line hitting over 580. Our typical threshold is around 400, so this qualifies. Keeping in mind where current point of control is to make sure we are trading with the market sentiment, we are currently above point of control, so longs are favored. Using the subchart as our guide, you draw your zone. Wait for price to pick a direction. In this case, it went up. So when it comes back, we hit buy. Trade was good for 50 points on NQ. That, my friends, is another smashed box. Winner. Moving on to our second setup on March 31st. Setup came at 8:15 a.m. West Coast time. You can see the smash spike line hitting about 300, which is below our threshold. However, if we have a setup into a POC that is borderline smash spike, it is still a valid setup. The key is to draw the zone and let price move away approximately 20 points, and when price comes back, you act. In this case, it was a sell. The trade was good for 40 points on NQ, yet another smashed box, winner. Two setups, two winners. 100% accuracy today. We will see you on the next one.